All right. So it's my first project. Uh, I feel confident it's so sturdy, quality wise, and we'll get there one day. But other than that, I'm pretty satisfied that I got to finish something. Normally, people won't start, something hard. And when I decided to start woodworking, which was a week ago, and in between that week, it took me roughly, I'd say like 3 days to finish this, judging by my workshop. I didn't have many tools, but the point of this video is to start something new. You know what I'm saying? This is something that was hard, and I decided to do. So I put my mind to it, and guess what? I finished it. Now, this can transfer to anything else. Like I've seen many videos where you could, once you finish one thing, you want to move on to the next and next, and you start compounding skills, interests, one by one. And yeah, this has made me want to start my YouTube journey and something meaningful. Uh, it, I also want to do many things, but I was one of those persons that would be stuck on my phone all the time and had large, ambitious goals that never proceeded to act, and it was all because of that damn phone. But then I've always this is one of the interests or hobbies. I just call it hobby because this one I'm gonna sell it, but I really just wanted to experience the whole woodworking side. I'm a welder on my full time job, so I have some experience in building. But anyway, this is gonna sell for $200. Um, in reality, I'm losing at least like $80, but you win some, you lose some. It took me to learn this. I mean, $80 is really not that much compared to other things that I've lost. You know, I'm also in debt, so hopefully this hobby pays off. And posting on YouTube. But yeah, like I'm getting out of my subject. So yeah, this is the main reason why I'm doing this. It's for a hobby. I've been wanting to do this for a while. Like I said, something that been stuck in my head. So I'm gonna get it out the way. There's other things that I want to start as well. Like coding. Start. You know what I'm saying? Build myself up. I'm only 25. Um, I'm not that great at talking in a camera. Maybe that's why I decided to start. Like I said at the beginning, you just want to start something, even if you're not experienced, even if you feel like you can't, just do it and figure it out that way. Don't sit in your head and overthink how you're gonna mess up, because that's in your head. You just gotta purposely do things in order to experience things. I feel like that's why we're the most depressed um, generation, is because we have phones and it gives us all the answers, and we have everything set in front of us instead of like the old times where they would figure this one thing out by walking over a wall. Not I'm speaking figuratively, but the point of here is that many people just don't have it as hard as we had, so we just have no goals, no ambition, nothing like that. So I set myself up and I accomplished one thing. Even if I'm dumb, even if I'm stupid, I accomplish things. And I think that's the meaning of, hard work. It pays off. But sometimes if it doesn't, you just gotta keep going until it does. But many people don't understand that. I'm basically giving this away for, not for free, but like some money. It's gonna pay for my table saw that I'm saving up for next. I have the Ryobi tools, the cheapest tools at Home Depot. Literally, that whole bunch cost me like 120, and this is paying for that, and half of the wood that I paid for this. But I used excess wood. My dumbass used excess wood. But I'm hoping on the next projects I'll just fly through them. But that's the main reason, man. You just gotta put your mind to it. And once you put your mind to it, you'll know all the configurations around certain things. Yeah, I'll leave this video up there. Um, you can use this as motivation. You can use this as anything you want. But I think this is a great start. No matter what, like how I started, this is like the worst setup ever. But I managed to complete something like this. You know, I ain't got too many tools, but you can see the imperfections as well. It's not perfect, but I think each and every piece that you make is special. It's not great lighting, but I mean, it's a simple bench, and to many, I realize is that you can have many hours into a project, and people may not know how many hours you put into it. It may just look like a simple bench, but it took 3 days to build and hard freaking work. I did sold it like 5 days. In 5 days, I'd say so. Man, Facebook people, we trifling, I swear. I totally forgot to record when I sold this bench, but I do have the money to prove it. $180, brother. Yeah. Catch you guys on the next video. See what else I built.